Today we have the 2020 Seat Mii Electric. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have automatic headlights. On our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, and our menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just above we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Eco and Eco Plus.